Hello everyone, I'm Chris with Central Michigan Sewing Supplies. Today I'd like to introduce one of my favorite vintage sewing machines, a beautiful 1947 Singer Model 128 hand crank. This particular machine carries the serial number EE314263, dating it to 1947. The Singer Model 128 is essentially the portable version of the famous Singer Model 27. It uses the same style vibrating shuttle mechanism, but was built with the compact 3/4 size bed, making it lightweight and portable and easy to store for that time. If your machine is marked with a K, that indicates it was manufactured at Singer's famous Kilbowie factory in Clydebank, Scotland. The Kilbowie factory was one of the largest sewing machine factories in the world and produced millions of Singer machines that were shipped worldwide. This one still has the original Singer hand crank, the original attachments, and the original manual. It also has the Singer portable case with the fold-down bed. I believe this case would have been original to the machine. This one is in absolute beautiful condition. Original Singer hand crank, just as smooth as silk. The red scroll decals, and as you can see, these decals are in fantastic condition, especially along the edge of the bed there. This machine hasn't sewn very much at all. Especially for that time, the materials they were sewing were a lot heavier than what we sew today. And those decals would wear. This will be the first of a 5 or 6 part video. And today I was just like to introduce the machine to you. In the upcoming weeks, we will be showing oiling and maintenance, threading and bobbin winding, using the hand crank, how the vibrating shuttle works, and some of the history of the Singer Model 128. There were several variations of the Model 128 and 28. We'll also touch on how we can keep these machines sewing for another generation. This one here we acquired a number of years ago, and it's been in our collection. This has the portable case with the fold-down bed. I really like these cases. This is one of my favorite Singer cases right here. In order to put the top back on the case, you do gotta release the hand crank, fold it in. See, I don't get that right. You gotta get, it needs to be to the back. Absolute beautiful machine. I'd like to thank you for watching today. If you enjoy vintage sewing machines, please consider subscribing to our channel. And thank you, and stay tuned for the next video.